My name is Kiati. I'm the head of the firm of Joshi Advocates. Thank you very much for joining us in this video. This video is actually going to be a celebration of some brilliant, positive, life-changing update and news. So let's begin first with a legal update very quickly. Now, you would note that in our previous videos we'll informed you that after Appendix EU comes into play because of Brexit, following 29th of March 2019, people who have a derivative residence because they're a primary carer of British national child or adult would not get protection. However, the great news is an amendment has been made to Appendix EU, link below as always for your verification, that not only will the derivative residence people be protected after Brexit as per Appendix EU, but also they will be eligible for indefinite leave to remain, which they are not at present. So that's a brilliant news and update. And even more good news. Now, some of you may know that we have represented a homeless man that sits actually outside the office at One Northumberland Avenue, and his story is in the link below. But in a nutshell, what was that he was, or rather he still is, a national of America, the USA, and he had indefinite leave to remain since 1994, which was ink stamped in his passport. However, considering Home Office introduced the biometric residence permit, which is the pink plastic card for such an endorsement for settlement, he didn't have that, which then meant that he could not get a job, and then, you know, due to various other issues, wound up homeless. And charities such as, for example, St. Mungo's, who we liaised with, could not help him, and they actually kindly explained to us that, you see, for a charity to give housing, they need to ultimately get paid because nothing is free. They would then go and claim to the DWP or wherever the housing place is in the government to release money. However, the government departments would not release money without the valid documentation in the correct format, which is a BRP card. So the homeless man did not have it, so he was stuck in every aspect of his life. And finally, we represented him, and he has been successful. And yesterday, he received his biometric residence permit. In fact, the Home Office have helped in that respect, definitely. It took some time. However, we had the MP's involvement to ask the Home Office what's the update, and then MP email saying, look, I've asked but I don't know, and same day we received the VRP cards. I was so pleased that the Home Office responded in a reasonable period of time, 3 months, I think, around that time. But so in celebration of good news, thank you so much for joining. I hope this has been helpful, and thank you very much for viewing this channel. As always, subscribe for legal updates. As you know, immigration law changes so often, and if you like legal updates, please subscribe and contact me. Details below in the description box, and as always, links to confirm and or verify everything I've said are in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining. Take care. Bye.